So after clean parts, we want to talk about formatting of language tools. So this is when you want to format a large document. We are going to look into spelling and grammar, which is used to specify for a word. The method is useful if you want to postpone proofreading a document. So let's go to the review tab. From tab list, click on spelling and grammar. So for example, review tab, you can see now this is proving, then this is spelling and grammar. So we look at it, it's telling us that this powerful is ought to be this capitalization because it's a word that is starting a line. So you can either change it or you ignore it. So I'm going to change it. So it's telling me this way is a first line on the first word on the, so I'm going to change it. So also it's bringing me to hen, where is hen? This hen, because we have actually used this W, so it's saying this when as hen. So I'm going to ignore this. So it's telling me the next one is L, this letter L, with this that is here. So I'm going to change it. So I'm going to also change this. So it's telling me that it's good to go. That's how to do spelling and grammar check. The next one is a thesaurus. So we also use that one to check the word. Click on review tab from tab list. Click on thesaurus from proving book. Then type the word on the option appear at the right side. Click on go or press enter. So if you want, it provides alternative for synonyms for the words. You can use the options to find another word with the same or similar meaning. So we want to change, for example, let's look at Lou. According to what we have here, click on review tab from tab list. So this is review tab from tab list. This is thesaurus. You click on it. You could look at it now. Look, that I highlight is giving me uh words that are very close to it. So appearance, expression, ear, aspect, gaze. This is a noun. Observe, watch. So I can actually, okay, I will look at behold. So behold is what I want. I want it to be there. So I'm going to come here and type a behold. So that's that. Translate, as it implies, it can translate from one language to another. So from translate from the review group also, this is a translate. So translate the document, translate it with selected text. So you want to translate it, we have different ones to French. We are translating from English to French. You can see. So what we have here, appearance, then so to look at their JPU with JPO, like look, JPO or JPOS. We have different a look at something. When it's a noun, look, when it's a noun, this is what GPLs. This is what it is. When this is an intransitive verb, so for example, this is what it is, fatigue. So that is the look. When you want to do translate a word, after translate, let's move into find. It allows you to find, quick search for a specific word. If you have a word that has large documents, the pages now is a document, but pages makes up a document. You have long pages. So click on home tab from tab list. Click on find from editing group. So home tab, you have editing group. This editing group come to find. So have look. For example, I want to find when now. We have when. So I have one when here. Four results. There are four results. So using what is here, you can now go to the next one, go to the next one, go to the next one, go to the next one. So that's how to look for to find a particular word in a document. After find, we have replace. So replace, it allows you to change or replace text, or e.g. you can change this with this. So click on home tab from tab is from the editing group. You want to use the replace now. So for example, home tab, I'm going to close this, I'm going to close this. You can see replace under editing group. Click on this. So I want to find this, then replace it with there. So replace. So when replace, it's replacing it one by one, but I can say replace all. So all done, we made three replacements. So what are we looking at? We look at where when is, then we put then there. So that you can see then is now replacing it. Close. Now how to do replace in the Word. From there we go to this is another one. Go to in a long document, it can be very difficult and time consuming to move to a specific location in the document. But go to command helps you move accurately to that specific page. So you want to move to a specific place in a page, in a line, or other parts of the document. What you're gonna do is click on Home tab. From tab list, you click on Find from editing group. Then you click on Go to. So let's look into this. Find, then drop it down here. Go to. So you want to go to a page. For example, I'm in page 2 now. I want to go to page 1, click on this and click on go to. So it takes me back to this. If you want to do line, so for example, I'll go to line, maybe I have line 20. I'm going to type 20 here. I'm going to click go to. It takes me directly to that area. So that's go to for you. After go to, we have word count. Word count is used to find out the numbers of words, the characters, the paragraphs, and the line in the document. So we want to know how many words, if what you are to type, for example, you want to type something that you are given a specific number of words that should be there, and you don't exceed that limit. So you're going to need word count. What we're going to do is click on review tab from tab list. So you're going to click on word count from the proving group. So from the where we are heading to is review tab. This review tab, you want to see this is word count from proving group, word count. So it gives us the summary of what we have here. Pages, we have 3 pages, we have 355 words, we have characters without spacing, we have 1,593 characters. Characters with spaces now. Spaces are counted alongside the character. So we have 1,924 paragraphs now, 27 paragraphs and 56 lines. So you can include text box in footnotes and endnotes. So that's what we have there. Let's move ahead. Tables. So in our third and last video for this Microsoft Word 2013 version, we're going to talk about tables. Then that's going to mark one of the other part of what we have left. We'll talk about table, we'll talk about insert methods, we'll talk about more table features, talk about merge cells, split cells, insert more columns, insert more rows, deleting of rows, columns, or table. And we're going to talk about text direction. Uh, we talk about main merge, talk about text direction, we talk about saving as PDF. We take our weekly assignments for that. So guys, thank you very much. Like our video, then share it and follow us on our platform. Don't forget, you should visit www.msatsolution.com.ng where you can actually buy this course and also see other courses that we have. Thank you very much. God bless.